Welcome to Joycey Fashion Designing Home. Today I want to be teaching you how to make purse. I will be needing this two soap can. One is like this and one other one like this. What I'm going to do, you will take one from this side and one from this side. Because if you use this spoon like this, it will fall inside. The purse will be falling inside. So what I'm going to do now, I'll be taking one from this side and one from the other side. We'll be needing this soap can. We'll be needing this. You can use any can. I know that you can use for pot. We're using this wording, soft wording. We're using the lining, the trimming. We're using the trimming, the gum. This is gum we are going to be using. I'm going to be putting the purse beads, brush, and shoemaker gum. And I'm starting now.